Hi, welcome to part 2 of our topic, the general equation of a circle for Mathematics 10. This is Jeline from the Honors Tutorial. So here is our general equation of a circle, and that is x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. And here is our example. We have here our center located at 1 and 7. We have here our radius, and that is 5 and square root of 2 units. So let's solve for this. The first thing that we have to do is to write this in standard form. Let me just write solution here. Remember that our standard form is the quantity of x minus h squared plus the quantity of y minus k squared is equal to r squared. And then we have to identify h and k. For h, we have here 1. For k, we have here 7. And for r, we have here the radius itself. So let's solve. Let's substitute what we have. So we have here the quantity of x minus h is 1 squared plus the quantity of y minus k is 7 squared equals the radius is the quantity of 5 square root of 2 raised to 2. So now let's simplify our ratios. So we have here the quantity of x minus 1 squared plus the quantity of y minus 7 squared is equal to 5 squared, so that is equal to 25. And then we have here square root of 2 squared, so cancel this. This is times 2. So now we have here the quantity of x minus 1 squared plus the quantity of y minus 7 squared is equal to 25 times 2, that's 50. So this will be our equation that we are going to use in looking for the general equation of the circle. So let's have first x minus 1 squared. So our formula for this one is this. We have here the pattern. Don't forget about this. That is x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So let's focus on x minus y squared first. This one. So we have here the quantity of x minus 1 squared. X here is x, y here is negative 1. Please include the sign. Okay, so let's substitute it here in our pattern. X is still x, so we have here x squared. And then plus 2 times x, that is x. Y is negative 1. And then plus y again, so that's negative 1 squared. And then let's simplify. X raised to 2, that is x squared. And then positive 2 times negative 1, that's negative 2. Copy the variable, which is x. And then plus negative 1 squared, that is positive 1. So this is the simplest form of the quantity of x minus 1 squared. And then let's solve for y minus 7. Let's have this part or area. So we have here the quantity of y minus, let me use another color. We have here the quantity of y minus 7 squared. So x is y is negative 7. Please include the sign. Let's substitute in our given formula or pattern. So we have here x squared, so that is y squared plus 2 times x, that is y, times y, that is negative 7, plus y squared, so that is negative 7 squared. So let's continue. Let me just erase some part of this solution. This one. So we have here y squared. Negative 2 times positive 2 times negative 7 is negative 14. Y plus negative 7 squared is 49. So this is the simplest form of the quantity of y minus 7 squared. Now let's solve. So that is x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus y squared minus 14y plus 49 equals 50. Let me just erase some part here below. So let's combine like terms. Like terms are 1, 49, and 50. But we have to um, transpose first 50. So it will become x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus y squared minus 14y plus 49. Transpose to left side, it will become minus 50 equals 0. Let's continue. Combine like terms 1, 49, and 50. 1 plus 49, 50 minus 50 is 0. So cancel this all. And then let's have the general equation. So that is x squared. So we have here x squared and then plus y squared. Dx is minus 2x. Ey is minus 14y. And f, we don't have f because it is equal to 0. So this is our final answer. So that's it for our part 2 for the general form of a circle. I hope that you have learned something today, and I hope that um you will have a breakthrough in solving this, especially when you have radicals in your radius, because it happens a lot of time that your radius will have a radical symbol. Okay, so please be careful with that. And please remember the pattern that I gave you earlier. If you have further inquiries about us or about the topic, just message our FB page, The Honors Tutorial. Thank you and God bless.